Welcome to Chapter 6, Key Terminology. As a home health aide, your daily work goes far beyond completing tasks. It's grounded in values that shape how you support, communicate, and advocate for your clients. These key terms aren't just part of your vocabulary. They represent the foundation of safe, compassionate, and ethical care. In this chapter, we'll unpack each term and explore what it looks like in action, so you can feel confident applying them in the real world. Let's begin with compassion. It means being deeply aware of someone else's pain or discomfort, and truly wanting to do something to help. For instance, imagine your client, Mrs. Rodriguez, is feeling lonely and missing her family. You could just finish your tasks and head out. Or you could take a few minutes to sit with her, ask how she's doing, or look through family photos together. It shows that your care goes beyond physical support. You're tending to her emotional well-being too. That's what compassion looks like in action. Next up, confidentiality. This means keeping your client's personal and medical information private, always. Let's say you bump into someone at the grocery store who used to live next door to Mr. Johnson, one of your clients. They casually ask how he's doing. Even if they seem concerned, it's not okay to share any details. A simple, polite, "I'm sorry, I can't talk about my clients" is the right response. Respecting confidentiality builds trust, and it's also the law. Now let's talk about empathy. It's the ability to put yourself in someone else's shoes, to understand how they're feeling, even if you haven't lived their exact experience. Say your client, Mr. Davis, gets upset because he struggles with tasks that used to be simple, like tying his shoes. It's easy to overlook, but it's not really about the shoes. It's about the loss of independence. Instead of brushing it off, you might say, "I can see this is really frustrating for you." That kind of response helps him feel seen and heard, and makes a big difference in your connection. Professionalism is all about how you carry yourself on the job. It shows in how you dress, how you speak, how you show up on time, and how you handle situations respectfully, even the tough ones. Picture this. You arrive at your client's home dressed neatly, right on time with everything you need. You follow the care plan, speak clearly, and stay focused. That's professionalism. On the other hand, being late, using your phone during your shift, or sharing personal problems with your client, that crosses the line. Every day is a chance to show you're reliable, respectful, and ready to help. Let's move on to boundaries. As an HHA, it's natural to form close bonds with your clients, but it's important to keep those relationships professional. Maybe your client, Mrs. Chun, invites you to a family dinner or asks you to pick up something from the store on your day off. It might feel harmless, even flattering, but these kinds of requests go beyond your role. In that moment, the best response is a kind but clear explanation that you're there to help as part of her care plan. Boundaries protect both of you and keep things safe and respectful. Now let's talk about ethics. These are the moral principles that guide what's right and wrong in your caregiving decisions. Let's say you notice that Mr. Green's family isn't following his dietary plan, even though it's important for his health. As an ethical caregiver, you wouldn't ignore it or confront the family. Instead, you document your concerns and report it through the proper channels. Ethics means doing the right thing, even when it's uncomfortable, and always putting the client's well-being first. Two final terms: dependability and cultural sensitivity. Dependability means your clients know they can count on you. If you say you'll be there at 9 a.m., show up at 9 a.m. If something comes up, let someone know right away. Your consistency isn't just professional, it's comforting to the people you care for. And cultural sensitivity? That's about respecting different backgrounds, beliefs, and traditions. Maybe your client, Mr. Singh, follows a specific diet due to his religion. Being culturally sensitive means you take the time to understand and honor those choices, rather than assuming everyone has the same preferences as you. So let's recap. The terms we covered: compassion, confidentiality, empathy, professionalism, boundaries, ethics, dependability, and cultural sensitivity, are not just terms in a training manual. They're the building blocks of high-quality, client-centered care. When you apply these values in your daily work, you're not only helping someone bathe or dress, you're giving them dignity, safety, and respect. And that's what being an exceptional home health aide is all about. Thank you for joining us in Chapter 6. We'll see you in the next module.